What's going on, guys? Tanner here with another video. Hope you guys are having a good day. And in this one, I'm going to be describing a few methods I've used in the past to make money as a young kid while still in school. So over the past couple years, I've figured out these different methods on how to make money while still in school, not much money in the bank account. And hopefully these help you out, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that I really got involved with was affiliate marketing. So when I was about 13 years old, when the app Vine was out, and I was building accounts on there, I had connected with this company where they would offer me a specific commission amount per app download I got for their company. So what I would do is I would promote those apps through my social media pages on Vine that had a big amount of following, and each download I would get for that specific app would make me $1, less than $1, more than $1, depends on every app. Each company offered a different amount of money. So that was the first time I actually made like real decent money. Especially as a 13-year-old, it was pretty crazy. But I enjoyed that. So affiliate marketing is essentially where you're selling something that another company or another individual owns, and you're getting a commission for making that sale. So there's a lot of companies that you can do this for, whether it's Amazon or Best Buy or a bunch of different other companies. They can be a big company or they can be a small company. It can be something small or just a friend you have that's selling something, and then you sell that thing for them and you take a commission amount of how much that product is worth just because you sold it for them. So affiliate marketing, if you're good at talking, making sales, or good at just persuading people, then affiliate marketing is a good way to make money. No money is really needed up front to do this. You just have to be good at selling things and making products move. So that's the first thing that I learned, was affiliate marketing. And now the second thing that I learned how to do was social media management. Social media has changed everything over the past few years, and I've been able to grow up with it from when it started to where it is now. And it's pretty crazy how it's all changed so fast. But it's definitely crazy, and there's a lot of money to be made on it. So social media management is something I figured out over the past year, 2 years or so. And what I did was I would create my own account. So I had my own big platforms. Instagram, Vine, I had big accounts on there. And then other people would ask me how I would gain the followers and stuff like that. So what I would do was I would have these people pay me to run their social media accounts and gain them followers and have them pay on a monthly basis. And this is a good source of income because it's a monthly thing, it's residual. So if you get a lot of people on board and you figure out how to automate the process of everything, then you're making this money for easy work. So then, after I figured out how to do it for individuals, I started doing it for businesses. So I would go contact a business, talk to them, and figure out some kind of plan that they wanted for their social media, and then I would manage their social medias for a specific amount of money per month. You could charge someone $100 a month, you can charge them $10,000 a month. It all depends on the size of the company, what you're doing for them, and everything like that. A lot of aspects go into it, and it's a pretty good way to make money if you're good at selling yourself and being able to manage all these businesses' social media. And of course, if you're not doing a good job, then they're not going to want to keep paying you. So you have to make sure you know what you're doing and figure out how you can grow them followers and build their influence and stuff like that. So social media marketing and management is one thing that I've been good at and figured out how to make money off of in the past. But I don't really do that as much now because I have other things that I want to focus on. But let's get into the third one. So the third one that I really figured out how to make money off of was reselling items. So whether it be you buy something cheap from your friend or you find something at a yard sale, you can figure out how to resell those online for a higher amount of money and collect a profit. One thing that I've seen my friends do is they buy stuff at Walmart that's on sale, and then they resell it online, whether it's on eBay, Amazon, whatever you can list it on, and they sell that for a high amount and make a profit off of it. But they do that in bulk, so it's not just one product you make $5 off of it. They're buying tons and tons of products and having them listed online and making money off of them. And the same thing goes with like estate sales or yard sales. You find something that you know of value, you look it up while you're there, Goodwill, and then you pick that item out, pay a cheap amount for it, list it online, and make a lot of money off of it. It all depends on what the product is to determine how much profit you're going to make off of that sale. But it's definitely a way you can make money finding stuff for cheap and selling it for more. Buy low, sell high. So that's the third one that I wanted to talk about. And I know I only said I was going to do 3, but I have to talk about the fourth one. So the fourth one, of course, that I've recently come into is drop shipping. So not much startup cost is needed to start drop shipping. I mean, really you just need to figure out how it works and then practice and practice, just figuring out different things, watching videos on how to do it, and learning from other people. And then you can build your own store, find your own niche, sell your own products, and you'll figure out all how that works pretty quick after you figure out all the marketing and stuff like that. So you don't have to be a certain age to do any of these things I've talked about. So with drop shipping, I'm only 16, I've been doing it for a little while, and it's done me really well. Because I've learned from my mistakes, I've learned the pros and cons, what to do, what not to do. I've learned from other people. I love learning from other people because other people gain different experience than you, so you can talk to them and gain that different experience and know what not to do just because you learned from them because they've already been through it. So drop shipping is definitely something that I would take advantage of right now because it's pretty popular right now, but if you get in on the right track, then you're going to be on the track to make money off of it because it's a hard thing to make money on if you don't know what you're doing with marketing. And you need a little bit of startup money just for the fees for Shopify to start up your store. But the main aspect of payment is going to be towards marketing. You may lose a little bit of money towards the beginning with marketing just because you don't necessarily know what you're doing unless you have a past of it. Because when I started, I lost a little bit of money, but then as time went on, I figured out what to do, what not to do, and I figured out how to create profitable ads and not lose money. So guys, those are 4 things I learned how to do and make money off of as a young kid while still in school, and it's done me pretty well over the past couple years. Super fun stuff, not too hard. You just need to make sure you spend time on processing and learning each of those things and each aspect of those things to make sure that you're able to understand them correctly and make money off of them. So you're not going to make money immediately off of all those things unless you're doing affiliate marketing maybe, but definitely put some time into it. Test each different thing, see what works best for you. Maybe you'll like one of them better than the others. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.